Ooh, ooh, yeah. Catch a J, eat a shotter, go to the best.
Hey, bro,
What?
feel the vibe. Sheesh.
I be doing that bummer, be at the best of the ball. I be going against up and jumping, I got the strong. Jumping, get the big red business, the bumble team, babe. And I'm gonna be square, the W17. Super size, super G, get the best bro. Going crazy, I know I'm saying the same stuff, I'm resting it up. That's Aos up, making money counts. I be doing that, I'm going to this, Georgia is this rhythm, man, don't run that gas, Keep in the business for the dance replica. That be done this rap the own code. Hit it down the battle, better bang it with it, with this move. With the move that with the crazy, get no fire with it. Get the banger with it, you don't want that smoke with it. Every time you beat, you don't want that dance with it. Going crazy. I got the best. Oh, don't catch me. So I be doing me. I be going bad with that. That is it, that. Can I do that? It's the boo boo, it tries to be sinner. This so best, so this I do it. The 23, you don't want it. Hit you with the scope. Do, bro. Go the best, bro. Hit the best. This to get the zest. You get the best. You don't want that, but this mama be sound of. Yeah, just up and rappers don't get they complain, they go best. The better, that's about the better the girls. Every rapper that's doing the get up is that, and I'm going to get back the trap at the court. Yeah, that's me right here. Get that suck it, up for the boy and get the press. Catch a day, he be bestin'. I just learn the big move. Yeah.
Hey, bro, feel the vibe. Sheesh.